Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 91 and 92 of Surah Al-An'am. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما قدر الله حق قدره إذ قالوا makhraj of waw is circling your lips, but fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy, for fatha upon your jaws. To make any letter heavy, you're lifting your tongue up, but you're not circling your lips. Da is light. Ra is heavy. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha on ra, it is heavy. So ra is heavy here. Rullah. Lafz la will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Rullah. And it is always 2 counts long. Ha for fatha open jaws. Haqqa, ha from your throat with hums for fatha open jaws attached with qaf. First qaf will get sifa of shidda nicely, haq, and then for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short with the second qaf too. Haqqa, qa, and both qaf should be heavy. When you are attaching with ha, that qa is heavy. Haq, and then qa. Haqqa, qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and da keep dal light. Because of qaf, don't make dal heavy. Qad, eri, ra is light. Whenever there is kasra on ra, it is light. He, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. Or this is mad sila kubra. Yeah, this is mad sila kubra, 4 or 5 counts long. قدره إذ for kasra give e sound attached is dal will get sifa of rukhawa, and this rukhawa brings in that the sound in dal. إذ qaf is heavy when this alif is accompanied with heavy letter, it will be heavy. So qaf is heavy, so this alif is heavy too. Qa, and the heaviness of qaf is multiplied here because this is with mad letter now, this alif madda. Qalu for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long without going into your nose. Ma, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. This is ikhfa. Other name of ikhfa is gunna because gunna is very important part of ikhfa. So you are preparing your mouth to say the letter za. You're holding the sound in your nose, and this is ikhfa. za for fatha upon your jaws with safi. Law, this lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, 2 counts long. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. La, keep lam light. Other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, all lams are always light. So make it light and make it 2 counts long. Ala, ba is for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Rim, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mia, for kasra give e sound, and then bring ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are keeping your tongue straight because this ikhfa is light, and you're preparing your mouth to say sheen, and you're holding the sound in your nose. Min shay. This is mad lean because and on Hamza you're stopping. If there is Hamza and you're stopping on it, and there is mud letter before it, mud letter, and here is ya sakna qablaha maksur. So this is light mud letter. So when you're stopping here, you're giving number. These are the conditions for number. So when you're stopping on Hamza, you're giving number, and number is jump of sound. Shay. This will be 4 counts long because this is mad lean. Qul, Qaf is heavy, make Qaf heavy for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with Lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut, and Lam is light. Qul, Man, for Fatha upon Jaws attached with Noon. This is Idhar. The ruling is Idhar and sifa is Tawassut. Man, Hamza is sharp for Fatha upon Jaws, and then bring Ikhfa. This Ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Z for Fatha upon Jaws. Lal for Fatha upon Jaws attached with Lam. Lam will get sifa of Tawassut. Ki for Kasra give E sound. Ta sharp. 2 counts long, sharp because there is no flow of sound. Ta, bel, by slide for fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get above the sut, la for fatha upon jaws, the gives up the by and dal, make it 2 counts long. Ja, mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 or 5 counts long. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short, and this alif sound and the sound of hamza should be very clear. Ja, this is mad sound. This is a hamza sound. So these 2 sounds should be very nicely heard. Ja, B, focus to give E sound. He, 2 counts long. Mu, for the circle, let's make it 2 counts long without going into nose. Sa, 2 counts long. No, for the circle, let's make it 2 counts long. Around, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa, for fatha upon jaws. Hu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Del, idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Dalin, for kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nas. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on scene. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. So you can make it 2 or 4 or 6 counts long because this is madarid lis sukoon. Taj, ta is sharp letter. There is no flow of sound for fatha upon jaws attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and jim should not have the sound of j. This is j, and how you can make it by closing the makhraj with your tongue nicely. Taj, Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Hu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy and it is 2 counts long here. Ta is the heaviest letter in Quran, so make it heavy by lifting your tongue up because it is musta'aliya letter. It has its baq, so there are so many things making it heavy. 2 counts long. Sa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tub, that is very sharp, no flow of sound. For Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with ba, ba will get sipa of qalqala. This qalqala should be heard very nicely. Tube, do, for Dhamma, circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long without going into your nose. Na, for fatha upon jaws, ha, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of vowel circle in your lips. Tukh, for the circular ellipse attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of raqawa and it is heavy. Fu. For the circular ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws. Ka. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ti. 2 counts long. Ra. Mad awaz is making it 2 counts long. When you are stopping on fathatain, you are exchanging tanween sound into mad letter. This is the exchange of the sound. That's why this mad is called awad. Mad awad. That you are exchanging something. Awad means to exchange. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ul. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasud. Lim for kasra give e sound. Attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Tum for dhamma circle ellipse attached. Meme you will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Da for fatha open jaws attached with ayn. Ayn will get sifa of the wasut and it should be from your throat nicely. La for fatha open jaws. Mu for dhamma circle your lips and make it 4 or 5 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Mu. Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws attached with noon. This is ikhfa. So you are hiding the sound of noon. You are going. It, you are going to the makhraj of tha. So antum antum for the circle ellipse attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of tafasuk and hukmuhu idhar. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips. La mad munfasil jais. Make it 4 or 5 counts long. Sorry, it is 2 counts long. Ba mad muttasil wajib. Make it 4 or 5 counts long. For the circle ellipse. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. Qaf is heavy. Lillah. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun on ha. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat lit sukun. And this lam is light, but lafz jalala will be and lafz jalala is light too because there is kasra before it. Qulillah. For the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Dal is light for fatha open jaws attached with the ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Dal and ra will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is just holding the makhraj nicely. That's it. You are not prolonging the sound at all. The hum for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Fi, as you see, fa, you are giving hums, make it 2 counts long. Kha is heavy. Kha is musta'aliya letter, but it is munfatiha too, so there should be sifa of infitah in kha. Khaw. And for fatha upon jaws attached with waw, this waw is lean, so make it soft. Khaw. Dad is heavy for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Yal. Ya is light for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Boon. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. You can make it 2 counts long or 4 counts long or 6 counts long. This is mad arid lis sukun. وما قدروا الله حق قدره إذ قالوا ما أنزل الله على بشر من شيء قل من أنزل الكتاب الذي جاء به موسى نورا وهدى للناس تجعلونه قراطيس تبدونها وتخفون كثيرا وعلمتم ما لم تعلموا أنتم ولا آباؤكم قل الله ثم ذرهم في خوضهم يلعبون. ومخرج of واو is circling your lips with a top on jaws. Ha 2 counts long. The 2 counts long and give dabdaba in dal. You're giving dabdaba sound by engaging the makhraj of dal nicely. The key focus to give e sound. The 2 counts long. Bun. Sifa sifa is tawassun and hukmuhu idhar. Hamza is very sharp and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight. Your tongue should be ready to say the letter za. Zal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam you get sip of the wasud. Na 2 counts long. Hu for the circle ellipse the sound is short. Mu for the circle ellipse the sound is short. Ba 2 counts long. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Kum idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Sad is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal gets sif of shidda. Like when you are saying dal, there is no flow of sound. Saddi makes sad heavy, but dal is light. Di Qul Qaf is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sip up the wasud. La for fatha upon jaws. The 2 counts long. Bay yailin, so make it soft. Na for fatha upon jaws. Ya for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Day yailin, so make it soft. When you are attaching this fatha ya, here you are making the sound soft. Day, he, focus give e sound. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Li, focus give e sound. Dun, for dhamma, circle lips. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. Your mouth should be ready to say letter dal. You are keeping the sound in your nose. And this is ikhfa. The for kasra give e sound and keep dal light. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. For the circle ellipse static meme, we will get sip of unna. This khulna is akmal. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawasud. Qaf is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ra 2 counts long. And ra is heavy. Wow, makhraj wow. Circling your lips for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Man for fatha open jaws attached mean. Noon will get sip of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. How? This is wow lean and you're giving hums in ha. How? Ha should be from your throat. And the makhraj of ha is middle part of your throat. حول for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. Well, makhraj of wow. Circling your lips, fatha open jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sip out tawassut. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. You, for dhamma, circle your lips. As you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. And hamza will cut off the sound right away because hamza is shadid letter. You, me, for fatha, for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Nu, 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lip, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Bil, for kasra give e sound, attached with lam, lam will get sip out the sut. Ash, 2 counts long. Khi, for kasra give e sound. Make kha heavy. Ra is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ti, for kasra give e sound. And the sound is short. You, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound right away. And as you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. Me, for kasra give e sound. Nu, nu. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, for kasra give e sound, attach with ha. Ha will get sipa of raqawa. And raqawa is flow of sound. B. Wa, makhraj of pause, circling your lips, fatha open jaws, hum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with mim, mim will get sipa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, la, 2 counts long, sa is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short, la, make it 2 counts long and make it light, ti, for kasra give e sound, him, for kasra give e sound, attach with mim will get sipa of tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar, you, for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Ha from your throat, make it 2 counts long. Fi, for kasra, give e sound and give hums and pa. Udhun. For dhamma, circle your lips, and dha is heavy letter with its baq. So make it nicely heavy when you are giving baq here. Because of this baq, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long goal into 4 counts long. This is madarid lis sukun. And madarid lis sukun can be 2 counts long, 4 or 6 counts long. It's your choice. وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك مصدق الذي بين يديه ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها والذين يؤمنون بالآخرة يؤمنون به وهم على صلاتهم يحافظون سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته